I spent the last 3 months testing the strangest new gadgets out right now, and 12 of them genuinely surprised me. The one at number 1 doesn't even look like the category it's in. If you want honest finds without the recycled top 10s, subscribe. I do the digging. Drop a guess about number 1 in the comments. You won't get it. Let's start at 12. Number 12. NETVUE Birdfy Solar, $129.99. Bird feeder with a 2K camera and AI that names each species in real time. Solar panel means you bolt it to a tree and forget about charging. I left mine out for a week and got footage of birds I'd never seen, and the app told me what they were. Surprisingly addictive thing to own. Number 11. Twinkly Squares Starter Kit, $249.99. I put these behind my desk on a whim, and now every video call I take, somebody asks what's going on behind me. App-controlled panels, 64 pixels per tile, sync to music, run any animation you can imagine. 1 master tile and 3 add-ons in the box. Stick, plug, the wall becomes a screen. Number 10. HOVERAir X1, $299. The one that flies itself. Open it, tap a mode, toss it off your palm, and it tracks you with HDR video while you walk, ride, or run. No piloting required. I took mine hiking and forgot it was even with me until the footage hit my phone an hour later. It's not a toy, it's a robot videographer. Top 10, and from here it gets genuinely strange. None of the next 4 are in any other gadget video yet. Stay with me. Number 9. Petoi Bittle X V2, $379. A programmable robot dog with metal servos in every joint. It walks, runs, sits, plays dead, and you can code new tricks into it through the app. Looks like a miniature Boston Dynamics spot at a 1/10 of the price. The first time mine stood up on its own, I just sat there watching. My nephew now thinks I have a real robot in the house. Technically, he's right. Number 8. Bambu Lab P1S, $399. Fully enclosed 3D printer that runs at 500 millimeters per second, faster than most people thought possible 2 years ago. Auto-calibrates every print. Handles up to 16 colors with the right add-on. I printed a working drone propeller in 20 minutes the first day I owned it. 20 minutes from box to flying machine. Prices keep falling. People still don't buy because they think 3D printing is hard. It isn't. Plug, push, watch. Number 7. VITURE Luma Pro XR glasses, $499. Plug them into your iPhone, Switch, or laptop, and you get a 152-inch screen floating in front of you. 120 Hz refresh, electrochromic tint that dims when you watch a movie, prescription adjustable for people who wear glasses. I watched the first half of a flight in these and forgot I was on a plane. They used to cost $1,200 2 years ago, now they're under $500. Number 6. Insta360 X5, $549.99. 8K 360 camera, waterproof, and the lenses are replaceable now. Drop it on rocks, swap them, keep filming. Low light recording is the best I've ever seen on a 360 cam. The invisible selfie stick trick still feels like magic every time. Mount this anywhere, and your video editor can pick any angle in post. I bought one for a road trip and ended up using shots I didn't even know I was filming. Top 5. From here, every gadget is one that shouldn't be priced where it is for what it does. If any of the first 7 surprised you, hit like and comment which one. Let's go. Top 5. Number 5. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, $615. 1-inch sensor in a body the size of a Sharpie, 3-axis gimbal, 4K at 120 frames. The Creator Combo adds the wireless mic, the extension rod, the charging case, basically a full vlog rig in one box. This is what creators on YouTube quietly switched to last year. It's why their footage suddenly looked cinematic. I tested it next to my main camera and couldn't tell the footage apart, except the Pocket 3 fits in a jacket pocket and weighs less than a phone. Number 4. Remarkable Paper Pro Bundle, $679. Almost 12-inch color e-paper tablet that behaves like real paper. Comes with the Marker Plus pen, pressure sensitive, with a real eraser on the back end. Color in e-paper sounds wrong until you see it. Soft, matte, never glares, easy on the eyes for hours. I take all my meeting notes on this now, and the battery lasts almost 2 weeks. The bundle is the bigger leap most people miss. Color e-paper is brand new, and almost nobody has one yet. You'll feel ahead carrying it. Number 3. ATOMSTACK A40 Pro V2 Laser Engraver, $719.99. 48 watts of diode laser with auto air assist. That means it cuts and engraves wood, leather, acrylic, even some thin metals, fast and clean. The first time you watch a sketch carve itself into a slab of walnut in 2 minutes, the receipt feels free. I made 15 Christmas gifts last December on one of these. Entire Etsy stores run their operation off this machine. Personalizing anything is no longer a craft. It's just a setting now. Genuinely powerful tool. Number 2. Mammotion LUBA Mini AWD, $1,599. Robot lawnmower for up to 1/5 of an acre. No perimeter wire to bury, no RTK base station to install, no antenna to mount on a roof. None of the headaches that killed every robot mower before this. You drive it around your yard once with the app, and that's the entire setup. All-wheel drive means it handles 80% slopes, actual hills. I watched one mow a slope my push mower stalled on 3 times last summer. Lawn care just became something your robot does. 11 covered. Number 1 is the one I teased. The gadget that doesn't even look like its category. Drop your guess, then watch this. Number 1. Roborock Saros Z70, $1,999.99. The first robot vacuum with a working mechanical arm. 3 reasons it wins. Reason 1. It picks things up. The OmniGrip arm extends, recognizes a sock or a slipper or a Lego, lifts it out of the way, and keeps cleaning. No other vacuum has done this, ever. Reason 2. 22,000 pascals of suction. 3-inch ultra-slim profile to fit under furniture. AI-mapped routes that learn your home over time. Reason 3. This is the first robot you'll genuinely brag about owning. $2,000 for a vacuum that picks up your kids' toys before it cleans the floor? That's not a vacuum. That's an actual home robot. Which one are you buying? Comment below. Links to all 12 are in the description. Subscribe now if any of these surprised you. Next week, I'm testing the cheapest gadgets out there that work better than the expensive ones. You won't believe number 3.